Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Dr. Squirey MBBS Abroad. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Sudhir Mitan, medical student in Russia and founder of Dr. Squirey. Guys, we made this channel to spread awareness and provide most genuine information about MBBS in abroad like Russia, Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, China, Georgia, Philippines, etc. As you know, there are many agents or consultants who are misguiding the students. So we want to spread awareness among these students and try to save from them. We Dr. Squirey is a team of medical students who are studying in various universities in abroad like Russia, Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan. Many of my friends are studying in these countries and some of our members are already graduated from these countries. We have a network of many students, so we know the truth and we know the ground reality of medical universities in these countries. Because we know the local language and we can directly communicate with the university and ask about all information about that particular universities. And we have another channel also about MBBS in Russia and Crimea Federal Medical University. If you want to know about MBBS in Russia and Crimea Federal Medical University, you can visit our that channel. I'll post a link in description box. So guys, मैं आपको एक बार फिर से बता दूं कि Dr. Squirey is a team of medical students who are studying in various universities in abroad like Russia, Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. And हम यहाँ पे हैं तो हम ग्राउंड रियलिटी जानते हैं कि यहाँ पे कैसे होता है, सब एडमिशन्स कैसे होते हैं और यूनिवर्सिटी क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है और कैसी यूनिवर्सिटी है. तो उसके लिए हमें लोकल लैंग्वेज भी आती है तो हम इजीली कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के साथ एंड वी कैन आस्क ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड विल डिलीवर इट टू यू डायरेक्टली. We are here to help you, to guide you and to provide you most genuine information and local support and sources of information. And you guys can also check our previous channel to check all information about the medical university in Russia and about Crimea Federal Medical University. That channel is specially for the Crimea Federal Medical University because our main followers are for the Crimea Federal University and so we don't want to create a problem for them. So we created this new channel. In this channel you can find all videos about medical universities in Russia, Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. In our videos we will tell you the difference between all countries like Russia and Ukraine and which is better option for you. We will also tell you about universities, that which university is best for you. We will make videos on best medical universities in Russia, best medical universities in Ukraine and best medical universities in Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan etc. We will also make a video on real fee structure of medical universities in abroad because बहुत सारे एजेंट्स या कंसल्टेंट एक्चुअल फीस नहीं बताते हैं एंड स्टूडेंट्स को मिसगाइड करते हैं. सो वी विल टेल यू द ट्रूथ. We will help you in selecting the universities which is best for you according to your demand and budget. We will tell you advantages and disadvantages of studying MBBS in abroad and what preventive measure you should keep in mind while coming abroad. We will make videos on hostel life of medical students in abroad. We will tell you the truth about monthly expenses in abroad and depends on countries. We will guide you about MCI or FMG exam or about USMLE or PLAB exam also. So please make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest notification. And you guys can also follow us on the Facebook and Instagram. Links are given in the description box. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment box. And if you want us to make a video on any particular university which you are interested, please write down in the comment box. We will make a detailed video on that particular university and provide you most genuine information. Till then, bye. Have a good day.